So we have this 2x6 pieces of lumber. We are going to have one running across in the middle of the bus, and then we're gonna have some 4x4 posts. They're gonna be going along the ribs of the bus for support. So we're gonna have about 4 of them running this way in a specific locations where like I said, on top of the ribs. And then we're gonna put all these 2x4 cross sections all across. Right now, my brother Jairo is cutting the 4x4. They have to be precise, and it's kind of tricky. So we put this support here to kind of level this in and get the height with the angle for the posts that are gonna be going on top of the ribs. All right, we're gonna start drilling the holes for the centerpiece. Got to make sure that this aligns perfectly. There should be plenty of silicone to seal this. We hope. All right, so as you can see, the deck is almost finished. Now we only have to work on the part right here. We're gonna do some kind of like a U around the hatch so that we can still have access to the deck from the hatch. So we got this 4x4 that were cut at an angle to fit right here. And then it's gonna be bolted to the roof with this 4-inch galvanized bolts. It's gonna go through this, so this is gonna be flush with this hole right here, and it's gonna go right here. And then we're gonna fill it up with more 2x4 until we get to the end over there. And then the deck will be completely finished. Today we got a ladder. It's supposed to be a universal ladder that can fit any RV. Hopefully it will fit our bus. This is to get up to our beautiful deck up there. So I'm gonna start working on this to see if I can install this today. I love that this thing is pretty light. Alright, looks good. We got more hardware right here. Alright, so I got all the parts right here and the instructions. I'm gonna make sure to read this so I don't make any mistakes in the installation. Alright, so I have to install this part over here. Now I have to cut the other part of the ladder so that it matches. Oh, mother. No! Broke a bit. Alright, so the installation of the ladder was going fine until I got these two broken screws. I guess I needed a bigger drill bit to drill the holes for this, and this broke. I just came back from Home Depot and I got this tool that is supposed to be good to remove headless screws. So I'll see if I can remove that, and then I'll continue, I guess, tomorrow installing the bottom part of the ladder. It's getting darker already. Alright, so I was able to remove the screws that got stuck in here. The head broke and it was a disaster. I couldn't get them out with my tools. So this morning I took the bus to Capco Elevators, where my uncle works, and he was able to help me. He was able to drill through the hole over the screws, and now it's fine. So I'm ready to install the other half of the ladder. Hopefully this time I won't have any other problems and get this thing done today. the ladder is officially installed. All we have to do now is get an extension so that we can use it, because actually the first step is kind of high. But Claudia can't wait to try it out. So, all right, Claudia. Here. That's the extension. This is the temporary extension.
Yes!
Don't break it.
Oh my god, I feel like... Yeah.
I'll just hide that.